My memory says we were in a debate in the last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Was that debate over? Are we to start a new one or are we to continue with that one only?
Sir,
Sir,
continue
continue
with
with that
that.
one.
That was not finished.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, both answers mean same. One student said no, sir. One student said yes, sir. But the meaning of both yes and no is same. I understood that it is yet to be completed. No means the same thing. Yes also means the same thing. Now, what does it mean? What does it mean? This is oxymoron. Okay. So if that has to be completed, let us complete it quickly, and then we'll go for one more debate. This is what we have decided, that we'll go for one more debate.
Yes, sir.
Before that, I would like to tell one thing to the class. Yesterday, as we have discussed in the previous class, that I'll have a session or an extra class for the new students who joined little late and who could not do all the lessons that were taught earlier before they were joined. So I thought of conducting an extra class yesterday. I sent an invitation, perhaps others would also have seen. And to tell you, nobody joined, nobody came. Invitation was sent, only one girl came, and the girl who came also did not have any problem. And others, out of all the new admissions, nobody joined. And why I'm telling this in front of the class? Because at present, maybe those new students are also there. They did not join, which means they do not have any problem. Okay, I have conducted the class for you, and I was expecting you to come and come up with your doubts, but because you did not have any problem, this is what I believe, so you did not join. Okay, so back to the debate. I forgot who were those 8 students. Perhaps there were 8. Shivam I can see, Purvi I can see, Neha is there. Who else? Shravani is also there.
Sir, me.
Disha is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Who were the other 2?
Sir, me.
I saw you, beta. I counted you, Nishan.
Sir, Arman.
Arman, yes.
Sir,
Very good.
one is Arman.
One is Arman. And
Sir,
one
Madhav.
more?
Madhav.
Madhav. And Madhav is not there. Okay. Arman, is he absent today? Is he not in the class? Yes. He is not there. Arman was favoring the motion or was he against?
Against.
Against. And what about Madhav?
He was in favor.
In favor.
He was speaking for the motion, which means we are left with 3 for and 3 against. So it is again balanced. But out of the audience, out of the other students who are watching this, if one student wants to join here, favoring the motion is welcome. And if one student wants to join the other team who are against the motion, he is also welcome. Is there anyone?
Sir, against the motion.
Khushi. Okay. But Khushi will be allowed only.
Sir, with the motion.
Yes, yes, yes. That's it. That is what I was saying. I need one on both sides. So Swastika is joining the team for the motion, and Khushi has joined the team against the motion. Okay. So now it's open for all. You can start. Anybody can.
May I, sir?
Yes, yes.
So from the previous discussion, I found that life and future both are very important for us. But in case any one of us can get that virus, so how can we secure our future if our present is not safe? I'm not saying that I'm sorry for that. If any one of us can get that virus, and because of that, his or her friends, neighbors, parents can also get that. Let all of them be in second priority, but their parents are on the first priority. Your parents are more important for you, and because of you, your parents got this. What will you do? And I think life is not an adventure, but it like if you fail once, you can try it again. But in life, if you fail one, you are not going to get another chance. We have waited for around 5 months. We can wait for few months more till vaccine is there. So can't we wait for few more time for this vaccine and stay at home and save ourselves and our relatives, family members, and friends?
Okay. Okay, beta. Now, anyone else?
Sir, I want to say.
Khushi.
Sir, I am totally agree with Disha that even while treating patients, doctor also get affected by COVID-19. So we are only students. If someone was positive, how we will. Matlab with all precautions, doctor will also get infected by COVID-19. So we are only his students. So how should we take care?
Okay. Neha.
Sir, I know that it's simple. Like as they said that even after taking precautions, it's more likely that we can get infected with that virus. But we can't just stay at home because of that. As Disha told, we have already stayed in our home for so many months, and we can wait a few more months. We don't know that it is few more months or years. It's already like coming to the end of this year. The whole year is passed in our home only, and there is no news that the vaccine is there or it will coming up in 2 3 months. There is no news like that, so we can't wait all the time here. And as she said that if we fail once, we can get up again and try again. Let's take an example. If we fail this standard, what we will do? It's not, yeah, we can try again, but it is not something that like it's easy to say, but it is not that simple to do the same thing. So even if we take precautions, we are more there are chances that we can get infected, but it's not that every person who is getting infected is going to die. It depends on your immunity and many factors. So like many people are getting infected, but they are also cured. So we should try to open the schools, because staying at home is not the only reason.
I agree with you, Neha, that we can't sit every time at home. But and I know that all are not dying because of this. Most of are recovering from this disease. But doctors are also said that once you have recovered, you can also get again you can get infected with this disease. It is not that once you have recovered, you will not get infected again. It is there that you can get again infected. So if once you have catch this virus, it is it is risky that again you can catch. So it is dangerous, no?
Who would like to answer?
So can she repeat her point? It was not clearly audible.
Yes, there was some problem in audibility. Okay. Someone else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, as Neha said that we can't stay at home for months and months if we need to move on. So I think schools should be reopened with all the precaution. As yesterday only news uh, making news was flashing that from 9 to 12 students can go to school with full precautions. So why not we should try? But also in our locality there are very few cases, like in Sada and Ragogad, where rarely only one case has occurred, and it also the person is also like well now, so we can open the school.
Is that all? Or does anyone have any other point to make? Or you are done? Because in the previous class we had enough of debate on this topic. Shravani,
Yes, sir.
do you have something to say? Nishant, Shivam, and Rumisha. Four have not spoken today.
Sir, actually, I think that we should open school because there was a live example over here. Purvi was speaking from her side, but we were not able to understand what she was speaking. So there might be possibilities that when a teacher teaches us, the student sitting on his side, he might not get what he is trying to speak, and this happens a lot of times when we are in physics class or any other class. So, sir, for that touch, we should open school with proper precaution. That's all, sir.
See, Nishant is sitting at his home, attending the class, speaking in the debate, with his camera closed. Now, how does teacher know whether he is sitting properly at the proper place, or is he lying in his bed and talking to us? Is he in school uniform or not? Is he really seriously attending the class or not? Is this what you are trying to say, Nishant?
Yes, sir.
Exactly, na?
Yes, sir.
He understands this. Okay. Anyone else? I think we can bring it to a close. But before we close it, I would like to ask other students who are watching or who are listening to this debate if they want to say something. Like Faiza was curious to speak yesterday, means in the previous class. She made a good point and she further wanted to speak. I stopped her. If she is there and wants to say something, Faiza, you are welcome.
She's not there.
She's not there. Okay. Anyone else from the other students? See, the topic is open for everyone. Now, anybody
Sir,
can...
I want to add one more point.
Okay. Khushi.
Sir, very recently, Amit Shah get infected by COVID-19 and he has too many facilities as compared to our facilities.
Yes.
So I want to say that with too many facilities, if he get infected, so we have also many chance to get infected by COVID-19.
Okay.
Sir, but I want to add something now.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, as she said that Amit Shah get affected by it, but sir, there is
Amitabh
many
Bachchan.
possibilities. There is many possibilities that his immune system is not as good as ours or other people. So there are many factors, not only facilities. So we should not focus on only one. We should not spot on the only one that point which is very uh, common. We should also move towards that topic which are not as
Sir, I want to say something.
Uh-huh.
Sir, as he said that facilities are not everything, might be his immunity is not that much strong. So we also don't know that how many of us have a strong immunity and how many of us don't have this. So there may be chance that we can get infected, but we can't. But there are possibilities. We are not 100% safe in the school, but in a
There
home,
is no meter or test to check your immunity.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I want to add, as she said that we don't know about our immunity, but as it is said by many doctors also that we children are in a growing stage and we have more immunity than the elders because we keep on exercising and doing
Stronger.
other things. So what?
Stronger immunity, not
Yeah.
more immunity.
Yeah, stronger immunity. So like it is very like less that we can get infected from that virus. It's not that everyone will catch that. Some are there who are like, there are many children who feel like eat only junk food. For them, I don't have anything to say. It's upon them to take care of them. And as for Khushi, as she said about Amit Shah, let me tell that they those like person like him, they keep on traveling from place to place because they have their job, they have to control the country and do many stuff. They keep on traveling, so it is, even they have precautions, they are more likely to
There is a possibility of catching it. Yeah.
yes. But for school, we are living nearby the school, and even from children who are coming from Sada or Agar, that's also nearby places. We are not asked to go to a different country or a state to attend school. It's nearby our house. So schools can be reopened.
Sir,
Can we close at this end? Is that note? Perhaps somebody was saying
can
something.
I something?
Yes.
Sir, government has opened almost everything in cities, like malls and all places, but schools not opened anywhere. So there is thing that government
Purvi,
is
you are
not
wrong. In
opening the
South
schools
Korea, schools
because
are already open. In South Korea, schools are already open, so we can't say. And there are many countries in
I
which
am
schools are
talking
open.
about South Korea.
You said that
About
there are
India.
no. You just said that there are no countries where schools are
I am
open. So
talking
I
about
just said.
There is a case in America where
saying
schools
about
got infected by coronavirus because of the reopening of schools.
about
Yes,
India,
Faisal has
not
come back.
about South Korea or America. India. But Indian government has opened almost every state and everywhere, but schools are not yet reopened anywhere.
But the government is also trying to open the schools. They are making guidelines every day. They are trying to make it happen. It's not like they are not trying it. They are trying to, and they can do it slowly because India has a large population. We just want to convey that schools should be reopened. Not immediately, but soon.
And we
Neha,
just want to
new
convey
guidelines are coming that teachers should not go to school. So how can we expect that we should go to school? And you are saying that we are not coming from other country or state, but think about the children who are coming from Kumraj. It is not that much close to us, and
But
we
it's
don't
within
know
the
about
state and it's within the district, we can say at least. It's not that far.
it. But it
Faisal,
is
make your
far.
point. Faisal, you were saying something. Make your
yes,
point.
sir. I just want to say that okay, if what if my driver, like I'm coming from Sada, I'm coming with the auto rickshaw. What if my auto wale bhaiya is infected by the coronavirus? Maybe I am taking all the measures to protect myself, but who will take the responsibility that he is not affected by this? And okay, then I got the virus from my auto wale bhaiya, and I'm now corona positive. You are not touching me, but what if I touch a school bench and then Neha passed by that? Neha also touched that bench, and Neha is also affected. Then I went to the washroom and I touched the washroom gate. Then another children, and then now the virus is on the washroom gate. A third class student come and she also touched the washroom gate. Now she is also affected. And now when she goes back to the home, her housemates are affected. And who will take the responsibility?
Okay, beta. Don't pull the chain longer. It's very scary. Now you are infecting everybody in the country. We understood what you are trying to say. That's good. And the point is correct. Now, Neha, Shravani, who would like to answer Nishant?
Sir, sir, actually, where Ola cabs or Uber cabs are open now, there is a polythene sheet which is attached in rickshaw or whatever vehicle it is. So the drivers even breathe does not come through that sheet. So the rickshaw wale bhaiya should put that plastic sheet, or he should have proper sanitization when children. Sir, there is a system in Maharashtra some people have invented that whenever any passenger will enter into a rickshaw, the automatic sanitizer spray will sanitize them with driver again and again. When driver will be sanitized again and again, how he or she will be in contact with the coronavirus, or he or she will be affected with it. So proper, if there are proper safety measures, everything is fine, sir.
Sir,
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Nishant, we lived in Radhogad, Guna, Madhya Pradesh. We are not in Maharashtra, and we are not using Uber and any other cab. We are using the auto rickshaw, and our auto rickshaw wale bhaiya lives in the Radhogad bastis, not in any high class society. And they are and they are not that rich that they can arrange all these things for only for their passengers that they are dropping off to the school.
Sir, I'm totally agree with Faiza that if that auto wale bhaiya is that much intelligent, so he is not going to drive a auto. And in auto, there are not 1 or 2 students coming to school. There are 10 to 15 students like coming here in the school. So it is not that much safe for other places.
Faiza, I would like to say something that if the auto wali bhaiya is not that richer, so then the passenger which are going to school should contribute some money for their safety, and they should give him the money to acquire many equipments in his auto rickshaw, so that you will be safety, not it's you are thinking about your safety and him, so you should contribute some money to him.
Okay,
And I would like to add
what
some.
about other?
No, I would like to add something to Nishant's point. As he said that we all should contribute, and also as Pfizer said that we live in this place which is not that rich. But I am talking as a whole for the whole country, not just this place. There are many like schools. We know there are lots of schools in the whole country. We are talking for the whole, not this place. And there are rich schools, and in many schools. Children come to school by bus and all, and it's important to take precautions by themselves. And even school can try for it, and not just like even the auto wale bhaiya is poor. As he said, we should contribute because it's for our own safety.
I wanted one more debate today on a different topic, on some other topic, and we are left with only 15 minutes. Fine, I am enjoying. I have no problem even if you continue with the same thing for whole period. At least we are having a good discussion. In the previous class, we had a very good discussion. Previous class also, I asked audience, means other students who are not in this panel, to contribute, to speak up. I gave them time. Today again, I asked them, once again, for last, I am asking other students to come in if they have something to say, or otherwise, let us close it here. Okay, so 1 minute time for others if somebody wants to speak. I'll give you enough time to speak. 1 minute is only for showing your willingness. We have 34 students in the class, only 8 on my screen. If anybody wants to speak. No. Okay. Let us bring this debate at this note to a close. We are not coming to any conclusion. We are not passing any decision over here. What is right and what is wrong. It was just to come up with your points of view. It was just to share your ideas and to defend your ideas. If you believe school should be reopened with all the safety norms, that was your idea, and you tried to defend your idea. Others, those who believe or those who felt, those who had an opinion that schools should not be reopened, it is not safe at this point of time, they came up with their point of view and they tried to defend it. And ultimately, it was a good discussion. Now, I want the class to carry on with a similar nice discussion on some other topic. Before we go on to the next topic, this assignment is for whole class, for entire class, that you are, note down this topic. You all already know this topic. because we are having discussion for 2 periods. But everyone has to write. Write in 150 to 200 words, whatever you believe, whatever is your opinion, and submit it. There is no time limit. You can submit it today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Nothing like that. Submit it. We have a group of submission, a separate group for submission. Perhaps I created, and you all have joined.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Submit it over there, but write your name on the paper, on the sheet that you are submitting. Okay. If your name is on the sheet and then photograph is taken, or if you are typing it in the Word document file, so your name should be there in the file. Okay, so that I can come to know who has written this. Okay, once it is downloaded on my computer, then it's hard to find out. So if your name is there on the paper and photograph is taken, then it is easier for me to identify. Okay, so everyone has to submit. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, even 2 days after tomorrow, whenever you feel like submitting, take your time, think and write. The topic is, should school be reopened now with all safety measures? Your opinion. Okay? And it should be in the format of a debate. Now, can I open next topic?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Sir, what do you think about this topic, that should be school reopened or not?
I didn't want to answer this question. That's why I opened this debate for you. I wanted to know how children feel. I will feel only what children feel. I will do only what children want to. Okay. Your safety is everybody's priority. See, government has started deciding to reopen everything, almost everything. Even trains are now starting. But the most precious asset that the country has is its children. Everybody in the country loves its children most. The government loves children. We teachers love our children. Parents love their children. So everybody is concerned about the safety of children. At the same time, everybody is concerned about children's future and their studies also. Right? Everyone, your parents, we, your teachers, and the government. Everybody is concerned about the future, about the education, everything of the children, keeping into mind, keeping into consideration the safety of children. And that's why schools are kept for the last consideration. For children, schools will be opened at last, when everything appears really, really safe. When everybody is quite certain that the measures will be followed. We have made all preparations at school. Whenever you come, you will find everything for your safety measures. Everything has been arranged. But by the time the government ensures everything, by the time the government is very certain that yes, now children are safe even if they go to school, they will decide this. Okay. This is the reason why I was simply asking your opinion. I do not have an opinion. I have this idea and I've shared. Okay. Neha was also speaking in the same tone in the beginning when in the previous class we started. I stopped her from speaking in this tone. I asked her not to be diplomatic. I wanted her to be on one side because this was a debate for you. Okay. We'll be very happy to see our children back at school, but we'll be more happy to see our children safe. This is my opinion. Now it is already 3:01, only 9 minutes are left. Chalo, let us form teams. Other than these 8 students, if I did not find anybody else to speak, I will call you back. But what I wish, I want other students, new students. New means other than these 8. Who else wants to be a part of debate now? We are left with little time, so it will go in the next class. Yes, Vedant. Samriddhi second, Rumisha, you were already in this debate, na?
No, sir.
No, she wasn't. Okay. So I got Vedanshi, Samriddhi, and Rumisha. Yes. One more.
Aditi.
Aditi Soni. Very nice. So open your videos, your cameras. These 4 children. All are girls. All are girls. Is that fair or unfair? Is that good or not?
Fair.
All 4 are girls. In the previous debate, we had Nishant, we had Shivam, and we had Maddie. But here I got only 4 girls. That's not fair. Is there a boy who wants to join this? 1 or 2 boys. We'll begin with 6.
Sir, me?
Wait, not you. Because you were already here. I'm expecting somebody else. There are many. There are many. Boys. Looking at this, I'm having an idea in my mind that the topic I should give should be, but for that topic, how can debate be opened if there is no boy in the group? Chalo, Nishant, allowed, because no other boy is willing. Shivam, you also want to join this? Okay, fine. Fine. And then I'll call 2 more later on, once the topic is disclosed. And if we feel that the topic doesn't go on well, then I'll give you some other topic in the next class. Seeing 4 girls expressing their willingness and only 2 boys, I would like to give you a good topic. Girls are more responsible, and so should be given such authority. Is the topic good? Topic is this. Let me repeat. What did I say? Girls are more responsible and so should be given more such authority. Is the topic clear to everyone? Chalo, who would like to begin?
Sir, authority.
Mohit also wants to join. Yes, 2 more. I want 2 more after opening the topic. Mohit wants to speak. Who else? 1 more can join.
Sir.
Chalo, we'll call afterwards. After the first round.
Sir.
Bol. Bhaumik survey.
Yes, sir.
Now we have 4 boys and 4 girls. Now that is balanced. Now that's balanced. Chalo. So girls are more responsible, and so they should be given such authority, such powers.
Sir, such power means in field or any special field or what?
In any field, everywhere. Suppose you are working in an organization. Okay. If you're working in an organization, because, see, I do not mean this. What I'm trying to say is, if let us consider it a belief that girls are more responsible, so in that organization, they should be given such responsibilities where they can control, they can command. Okay? Chalo, it's open. Who would like to begin?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can I speak against the topic?
You start speaking. We'll find out whether you are speaking against or for, because this is first round. So your opinion will tell us that you are against or you are for the motion. Okay, and then we shall form the group of 4.
Okay, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, So I think there
Even,
is
even after being a girl, you can speak against this topic. We don't have any problem.
okay, sir. Sir, we all talk about gender equality everywhere, sir, but I think sometimes when we talk about women empowerment, sometimes the men are, we sometimes suppress the men, which we should not, because we're talking about gender equality, not about just taking women over and over. Like we are talking about equality, not about some gender oppressing over some other gender. So, sir, I believe that we should not just think that girls are more responsible. As if you're talking about our class, we can see that girls are more active in our class. But if we are talking about some universal aspect, I believe that girls and boys are equal and they're equally responsible.
In the previous debate, Neha also started at the same note. Right? You also started at the same note. Take one stand. Because it is debate. It's not a speech. Okay. I have opened a topic for
I don't
debate.
think that girls are.
So now what I'm expecting is that the speakers should either agree with this or disagree with this. Okay? Yes?
Sir, I disagree.
Okay. Okay. So you need to say girls are not more responsible, or even if girls are more responsible, there shouldn't be any such case that the girls should be given higher authority. They should not be kept at a commanding position. This is what you said.
So, so they should be, but they are not more responsible like that.
They are not actually more responsible.
No, they are, like it depends on the person, not on the gender. So they're equally responsible.
Again, diplomatic. Okay. Somebody else?
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes. Shivam.
girls are also responsible, but sometimes they take benefit of that they are girls, so they get first priority of anything. So sometimes they suppress men's opportunity that a man should get this, but as being a girl, they take that.
Okay. Yes, next. Just 1 minute opinion in the first round.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, Nishan.
sir, actually, I disagree because uh, girls are equally, sir, girls are equal to boys because in every field they are as equal to boys, but there are equal opportunities to girls as well as boys. So there should not be like equal opportunities are already given to them. There is equal rights. So why there is a need to do this?
Because the topic says they are more responsible.
Sir, but both are equally responsible, sir. In some cases, they are, in some cases, males are responsible, or in some cases, there are
What is the
different
result of
parameters
10th
for.
class?
Yes, sir.
What is the result of 10th class?
Sir,
CBSE 10th.
sir, आप भी ना.
Chalo. Somebody else. No, I'm not asking your result. I'm asking the total result, overall result of 10th CBSE. On all
Sir,
news channels,
Neha,
all news channels, I found that the girls were far ahead. Chalo, this is just to say. Yes, Vedanshi. Aditi, okay, Aditi.
sir, here we are living in a very limited society. But when we move to cities or we see some city lives, when we get access to the bigger world,
when we start seeing the world with our own eyes, we find that there are women, there are girls who are taking the who are taking wrong advantages of being a woman just because of just for the sake of feminism.
Okay.
They say that we are feminist, but what they do does not uh, show show their real behavior.
Here, beta, what do you mean by they?
Sir, and even
Perhaps I couldn't get it.
sir, and even these days, and sir, even these days, though girls are also having the getting their access, but they are also getting rowdy.
They are becoming dominant
So we
now.
cannot say that girls.
They are becoming dominant now.
Yes, sir.
So if girls are
Yes.
given that greater authority, then they will start dominating the society. This is what you are trying to say. Perhaps I understood it wrong.
So they are taking wrong advantages of being
Unnecessary
a woman.
advantage
Yes,
of
sir.
being girls, and because the society, the community is slowly, gradually developing a softer corner for girls and for women. So there may be some girls, some who will start taking an undue benefit, unfair advantage of this change in the outlook of the society.
Yes, sir, because they believe that even the laws or rules and regulations of the country are being soft for them, so they can do whatever they want to.
Okay, okay, now I got it. Yes, we still have two speakers yet to speak. Mohit and one more, Bhaumik.
Sir, I don't think that sir, I don't think that girls are more responsible than boys. Maybe boys have got less marks in exams or somewhere else. But if we see the proportion of jobs or in any field like in army, in politicians, and if we see any of the job opportunities of civil services, the proportion of boys is more than that of girls. And if we see the proportion of PM of our country, we have more male leaders rather than being of more female leaders.
Who led the troop of boys on 26th January parade?
So she was a lady.
You are saying they are not.
So she was a lady, but the proportion of the all these see the in that army parade, boys may be more than that of female.
Okay. How many medals were won in Olympics this time? Can somebody tell?
So 2 medals.
And if not in Olympics, in Commonwealth, in Asiads? Beta, it's not a question of scoring marks in examination. It's not only about examination that girls have topped or have scored or attained better ranks. I'm not talking about only that thing. It's a general perception. If a task is assigned to a boy and a girl together, even if it is in the class or at home, who would take it up more seriously? Who would simply finish it and who would complete it? There is a difference. Is there a difference between finishing something and completing something?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is that?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, finishing means it means tal dena type sa.
No,
And
not
complete
tal,
means
not tal.
full interest.
पूरा करना ही
Sir,
Full
finishing,
interest.
sir, finishing means doing the work only for the sake of doing it and not for any other work. But completing means giving it full devotion and doing it wholeheartedly.
Finishing is just somehow trying to achieve the end objective. Somehow. That is your target. Somehow to achieve the end objective. But completing is doing it in the best possible way. Okay. So when a task is given, either at home or at school or anywhere in the world, this is just a general perception. Because 4 girls showed the initiative, I gave this topic. I threw this topic rather. Okay. So just talk about this. Try to prove that yes, boys are equally responsible, boys are more responsible, or agree that boys are less responsible. Come to this point. Okay. Now last for today. Who was that? Bhaumik.
Sir, both should get equal responsibility. If one more get responsibility, so it will create the feeling of discrimination and all.
When better try to understand the topic, the statement. I have started with a note saying girls are already more responsible. The topic declares this thing. So I'm not asking, or you should not say that both should be given equal responsibilities. Responsibilities are equally given to both, and the topic has concluded that it is found that girls are more responsible. Now you are supposed to speak or try to prove that it is not right. Don't say what should be done. This is not the question. Try to understand the topic. Okay. Now it is already 3:19. We are far too late. You must be having one more class. Let us stop it here. We'll continue with this in the next class with the same 8 students. And if somebody else wants to jump in, will be allowed. Okay. So shall I stop it here?
Yes, sir.
Shall I stop it here? We are already late.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Sairam, thank you very
Sairam,
much.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Sairam, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Sairam,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam, sir.